It's Heaven to Famous back on another video. We're playing a series. This is called the road trip. So they're gonna get packed for the road trip at night because they're leaving today. It's 12 p.m. for them, not me. Okay. Okay, I already have her stuff packed and mine and yours. And yeah. We'll put her in her little her stroller with her heart pillow. Come on, go. I know you're a little sick, but you can watch Kokomo on my phone. First, I have to grab some things. I need my water bottle, so we can let her hold that too. And I need essentials, my wallet, the keys, because how we're gonna get in the house. Okay, I'll hold the rest. Okay, first we have to go get the kids. I don't even think they're packed. I don't want her to hold too much. And I feel like she's gonna, okay. They better be packed. I'm not dealing with this. I'm not dealing with this because I'm going to put them right here. You can put the stuff right here. She should be watching the iPad. I'll go get her. I'm gonna go get her. But I need to keep this door open so I can see. Girl, you're not packed? I'm so freaking stressed. Girl, get packed. Get packed. We're about to leave. I need my notebook so I can write about stuff. And I need my wallet. I need my star patches. When are you buying me clothes? Because I don't have any clothes yet. The only reason she doesn't have clothes yet because I just built this house a few days ago, like yesterday. Come on, you the one packed. Let me get your back bump. Come on. Y'all have a lot of stuff to carry. I'll help you with the baby. And why she needs your phone? The iPad can fit in there. Oh, now I gotta put it in my bag. My essentials. Okay. Oh, are we gonna eat? Yeah, head to the kitchen. Y'all could put the stuff down right here by the laundry. Because we're not leaving yet. Salma, you want me to leave this too? Just grab her, yeah. I'm the only one that's wearing pajamas. The baby's wrapped up. And when are we gonna get a dog? Because, what happened? What the hell just happened? They already have villagers. We're probably gonna eat somewhere out of restaurant because we might not have enough time to cook and we have to go. Okay, because and then the traffic is gonna start. And your dad's not gonna go through traffic. There's a rag on the floor. I'm gonna put it in the top of the jar. Okay. Let me make sure, yes. Okay, everybody out. 2, 1. We got 3 kids. Yeah. So you're telling me we're living here for the night? You mean for the day? No, we're staying here. It's for 2 days. This is like our little home, but we're far away from home, so there's no turning back. Oh, that's cute on you. Okay. And plus, this is closer to my job. We're not moving here, because I like my old house more. Which is we're going to see in 2 days. I'm only staying here in 2 days. That's it. Yeah, it's time to go. Okay. Let's get packing up. Pack up. We're finally moving home. Mom, I'm going out with my friends, so I'm gonna be back later. Okay, I'm gonna drop you off. Her mom. Okay. Okay, she going up to the store to get some clothes because, this the only thing she got. Yes, ma'am. What? Please. She keep getting on my nerves. Does she wait? And if you want me to cuss, don't tell my mom because she just get on my nerves. I'll do the YouTube video. Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video. Move on. Yours. What time is it? 8:34. Oh, go big. Your best record. Make sure you put it back on your Don't give up. Is that a... That's a... Yeah, I'm watching a dinosaur die. I'm literally sitting here. I'm literally sitting here. No, I see a dinosaur dying, Mama. I have to sneak home late. Hold on. First, let me get her to bed. Because that looks weird. Let me just get my nightclothes. Let's go. You know how my mom she just gets one guys. I'm sorry. 'Kay, let me get to bed. I'm gonna close my curtains. And then I'm gonna close my doors. We continue forward. Yes, I gotta close my... There's a... I have to. For the sake of the Delta. Yeah, I gotta move it just a little so I can see. Okay, so now she's asleep. She's sleeping. The parents still asleep. A miracle happened. And the baby is in there too. But the baby has to get a feed bottle, so we're gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna pack up the bag. You go get some rest and leave the stuff to me. You sure you got everything? Yeah, I'm sure. I could help you. I'll just get better. Okay, first of all, we need to get you to bed. So this little one needs to get to bed.
We saw a green paradise.
Okay, so we have this nice looking.
Paradise wasn't easy.
We can close these doors. Oh wait, you need your bottle first. So I guess you can see your stroller while I get you unpacked. And mommy and daddy.
There was a final hurdle waiting for us. It was a narrow path leading to paradise. We walked on that dangerous path.
Okay, now I have to get myself
The
to
young
bed.
ones looked curiously at the ocean. And suddenly, a herd of dinosaurs were rushing toward us. My childhood nightmare came back. I can't lose my family again like this. Why? Again? How did he get here?
Okay, I just forgot I was paused for a second. Y'all, I was watching this interesting movie. Ooh, tea. Okay, let me get ready for school and stuff. And that might be the last part. The first part. Okay. The next day. Oh, she did get figured out. The next day. He let me rest, but he didn't unpack everything. I guess he was tired because y'all know how it is when y'all get tired, right? Okay. I'm just trying to make sure y'all know that. And I wanna look on his phone so bad, but we're gonna put my drink in here, my bottle. Don't forget my skincare. It's not a big skincare routine, but at least it's something. Okay, so first I have to get ready for work. And this is my daughter's lunchbox, so we'll give it back to her.
The youngest survived. must save him, no matter what.
I don't like this outfit. I have to go to work too? No. I guess this will work because this is a childish outfit. These three are childish outfits, so this is kind of like her birthday present. Oh, yeah, this movie so interesting. I can't even focus on my on the thing.
Those disgusting 100-foot-long seeds.
Okay, so first we could get up in her room. Oh, girl, you gotta wake up. Wake up. Uh, uh, like, here is your birthday present. So yeah, whatever. You gotta wake up for school. Oh, these are cute. Okay, I see you. So I get some more outfits. Okay, I'm gonna choose my favorite fit. That's so my favorite, but I wanna wear this. I wanna wear this today. And this is my lunchbox, I guess she gives me in a surprise way. So I'm gonna put my water bottle in there. I'm gonna get my backpack and we're gonna put my phone in there. My gonna get one more notebook because I'm going to school.
Junior, where are you?
And I'm gonna put this little pen and that's what I'm gonna bring because it's school and all.
I was fast becoming exhausted. I see you, child. Junior. I must get over there, no matter what.
Okay, whatever. This movie's so interesting. I can't keep track. Get ready for school. I don't care at this point. Gonna put this on you. This will be cute for daycare. Come on, get your butt out the house. And while you at it, and this was for your sister. Get in the elevator. And plus, I gotta get your little sister from upstairs. She's going too. She gonna say something. She gonna be like, why the baby not ready? You could have got her ready or something. There you go. Nah, we're gonna leave right now because she is going.
Junior. My cute baby.
Hey, yo. Okay, come on, y'all. Why is my doors open? Don't do that no more. And the series is about to end. I know this is long, and I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I do not make up.
With green leaves, and that only happy stories will continue.
Go to school. This way you want me to go to school for no reason. I have to wait till all the people get here. This makes me some weird stuff.